everyone, happy Thursday! Today we're going to be doing this Japanese candy making kit called Nerunerunerune by the brand Kracie. I've seen them all around YouTube and I was so curious to try it. I got the grape flavor from Daiso, a 100 yen store in Takeshita Street, Tokyo, Japan. This one was 100 yen, which equals to $1. Let's get started. So in their website, www.nerune.jp, they have the instructions for this making kit. And supposedly all you need is water. I have a glass of tap water. It doesn't say if it has to be cold or hot. I don't think it really matters. Time to open. So we have 3 different packages. 2 are the powder and one of them is the sparkling candy. We're going to start with the number 1 powder. We're going to pour it here. Now we're going to fill this up with water and then we're going to pour the water here on the powder. We're going to use the spoon to mix it. Now it's time to add the second powder to the number 1 powder. Now we have to mix it until the color changes. Then it says it will be ready to eat. Can you see the color? It's turning pink.
Whoa. It feels like melted marshmallow. This is so cool.
Now we can open our 3rd package, which is the sparkling candy. We can pour it here. it's so colorful. I think it's ready to eat. It tastes very good. It tastes like grape. In the website, it says that the grape flavor Nerunerunerune contains anthocyanin. Supposedly, it's the same ingredient that gives the color to purple cabbage. That's pretty cool. This package is 90k calories. I'm actually very impressed with this. I think I'm going to buy some more in Amazon. I should have bought more when I was in Japan. I'm not sure why I've hesitated to buy the candy making kits, but maybe I should try some more because this one is really very good. It's like marshmallow, but it doesn't taste like marshmallow. Thank you everybody for watching. As always, you can follow me on my social media sites. Bye bye everybody.